In this video, we're going to evaluate an expression with one variable. Here we have a word problem, but we don't see an expression that has numbers in it. We are only given this slope formula. So the first thing we need to do is to read the whole problem and try to find what does m equal and what does b equal. Off the bat, we know that x equals the number of whatever we're trying to find. So Steve went to the department store and saw that there's a sale. There is a rack of t-shirts that are $5 each. If the tax is consistently $3, how much would he pay for 2, 5, or 7 t-shirts? So let's look at the given. We are given that each t-shirt is $5. And we're also given that tax is consistently $3. So let's look back at the slope formula. So x represents the number of t-shirts. So what does m equal? Well, since we're given that each t-shirt is $5, we now know that m equals 5. And also for b, since we found out that tax is consistently $3, we now know that b equals 3. So let me rewrite the equation on the side. So over here, let's rewrite it. We got y equals, remember that m equals 5, and that is per t-shirt. We can use any variable. In this case, we can use t, and plus, and then 3. That is the tax. So in this problem, we have to solve for 2, 5, or 7 t-shirts. So let's go over here. We use black. So we have t equals 2. Okay, so let's use the slope formula, or the equation we found here. So we have y equals 5. And since we know what t is, we can plug it in. We're looking for how much it would cost for 2 t-shirts, and that's plus 3. Now we can evaluate pretty easily. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus $3 is $13. That's some mental math right there. Pretty easy. So for $2, or for 2 t-shirts, you would have to pay $13. Let's take a look at when t equals 5. Once again, let's plug it in. We got y equals $5 per t equals 5 t-shirts plus 3. Let's evaluate. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3. Let's write it. We got 25 plus 3. This is $28. So for 5 t-shirts, you would have to pay $28. Last but not least, we got t equals 7 t-shirts. Let's plug it in. Y equals $5. And then 7 t-shirts. Plus 3 for tax. So 5 times 7 is 35. And it's plus 3. If we evaluate it, it's pretty easy. It's $10 more than the last one. It'll be $38.